Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead, click on subscribe, and also click on the bell to receive all the updates and activities on this sled as well as the rest of my channel. So today was a productive day. What I've been doing is to keep myself sane and focused and everything else, I've essentially created a punch list of everything I need to do to get this project wrapped up, and we're slowly making progress on it. So what we did today was I removed the graphic off the tunnel, that red and white stripe that was all faded. I went ahead and removed that. I went ahead and polished the tunnel on both sides. Once I did that, I installed the mounting plates with Loctite, and those are permanently mounted. I went ahead and got the drive shaft installed with a new bearing on the clutch side. Went ahead and removed the back graphics off the trailing arm. Went ahead and painted those, and got the reverse lever hooked up, and we got the chain case back in. So as far as I can tell, everything should be good to go. I'm not sure if I have the orientation set correctly on this linkage. When I do pull up on the reverse lever, I can feel it engage on the gear. It's just, I don't know, I think I have the that clip holding on the cable correct. If I don't, if anybody sees this, let me know. If anybody's familiar with it, give me a comment and let me know if it's right or not. But the next major thing on this is we're gonna put the rear skid up on the bench. We're gonna go through it, replace any bad bearings and the bogies and the others, and grease it up, give it a quick service, and get the thing in there hopefully tomorrow. See what happens. So haven't fired it up yet because I need to put some coolant in it. When I was working on it a couple weeks ago, pulling the old chain case off, I took a hose off and I drained all the coolant out of the sled. So that's why I haven't engaged reversing it yet. And you know, the track is just kind of floating in there, so I don't want to spin the drive shaft on the track anyway. So, but you know, we're making pretty good progress. I'll be happy when this thing's done because the garage is a complete disaster. I don't think there's a horizontal surface without something on it. There's literally crap everywhere. I'm tripping over everything left and right. So I'll be happy when this project is done, and so we can get this indie trail out and clean up and put everything away. So the garage has been like like this for the better part of 3 weeks. So you know, taking my life at risk whenever I walk in here. So I'll be glad when this thing is done. So, but all right. So there's the latest on the XCR. You know what? I didn't film pretty much anything I was doing today because a lot of it stuff was I've already covered in my channel before. A lot of it is just, you know, tedious. You know, I don't think it's interesting work as far as, you know, removing graphics and painting and everything else and doing alignment and everything else. So on those things, I just chose not to do. So if there's any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and leave them in the comments box. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day. See ya. Bye.